5 tools that make car repair incredibly simple. 1. Universal oil filter wrench. Changing engine oil is pretty simple, so many car enthusiasts prefer to do it themselves. Removing the oil filter is much easier when you use a dedicated tool. As the diameter of the oil filter shell can vary, a universal oil filter wrench allows easy removal and installation of the component. This tool is suitable for removing/installing spin-on filters of any diameter. 2. Ball joint separator. Properly functioning steering and suspension systems are important not only for comfort, but also for safety when driving. So, it's crucial to check the condition of steering and suspension components regularly. A specialized tool, the ball joint separator, will help you to quickly remove failed ball joints and tie rod ends. The ball joint separator eliminates the need for a hammer and other striking tools that deform suspension arms and other parts. It also has a wide gripping range. This makes it easier to repair vehicles of different makes and models. 3. Brake caliper piston rewind tool. A car's braking system plays a vital role in road safety, and brake pads are the first to wear out.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
Most modern cars have disc brakes, with calipers equipped with 1 or more pistons. The most convenient way to do this is to use a set of brake caliper piston rewind tools. This universal professional kit consists of a 4-screw with a reaction plate and a set of drive keys. The kit is placed in an ergonomic plastic case, which can be conveniently stored. The high quality of the tool's manufacture allows it to be used both in home and professional garages. 4. Flexible magnetic pickup tool. When repairing a car yourself, small parts sometimes fall into the engine bay. A flexible magnetic pickup tool allows you to grab them in seconds. Thanks to the magnet, it makes it easy to retrieve bolts, nuts, and other small metal components. It doesn't cost much, but is a real time saver. 5. Hose clamp pliers. When replacing hoses or ball joint dust covers yourself, hose clamp pliers are a must-have. Being made of steel, they're highly durable. The pliers ensure a secure grip of the clamps and greatly increase the working speed.